Out in the desert there's a soldier lying dead, vultures pecking the eyes out of his head. Another day that could have been me there instead. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me, Dad's gonna kill me. You hit the booby trap and you're in pieces. With every bullet your risk increases. Old Alibaba is a different species. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me, Dad's gonna kill me. I'm dead meat to my Humvee Frankenstein. I hit the roadblock somehow, I never hit the mine. That's running like the luckiest time. And Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. I've got a wife, a kid, another on the way. I might get home if I can live through today. Before I came out here I never used to pray. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. And Dad's gonna kill me. Well, Dad's in a bad mood, Dad's got the blues. It's someone else's mess that I didn't choose. At least we're winning on the Fox Evening News. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. Dad's gonna kill me, Dad's gonna kill me. Don't patrol went out and didn't come back. I'm the wire and pray like I told you, Mac. But then we surely missing you and suicide. Dad's gonna kill me. Dad's gonna kill me. Who's that stranger walking in my dreams? Who's that stranger cast a shadow across my heart? Who's that stranger I dare speak his name? Must be old death a-walking, must be old death a-walking. Dad's gonna kill me. Seven muzzle monkeys standing in a row, standing waiting for that sandbox to blow. Sitting targets in the Wild West show. Nobody loves me here, nobody loves me here. And Dad's gonna kill me, and Dad's gonna kill me. Another agent on his waist this week. Chop roll with his own Willie Pete. Most that if you speak, double speak. And Dad's gonna kill me. And Dad's gonna kill me.
Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.